At first glance, it looks like just a white villa in southern Italy, but the main idea here is not in a facade. It is in the space between the two structures. It is here, between the volumes, that Villa Normanni Puglia organizes its life. The pool, the terrace, the shade, the sun, and the direct contact with the olive trees around it. Designed by Urban Interior Studio in Puglia, the house has about 206 square meters. It works like a small vacation compound, formed by a new main villa and a smaller structure adapted from an old agricultural building. This decision changes the experience quite a bit. Instead of concentrating everything in a single block, they created a composition between two volumes. On one side, the main part; on the other, a smaller, more reserved unit. In the center, the terrace with the pool works almost like a domestic square. This central space is the most important point here. The pool is not just placed beside the house, it organizes the relationship between the two parts. It creates distance, it creates gathering, and it turns the exterior into the true heart of the villa. The language of the house comes from traditional Puglian architecture: low volumes, white walls, softened corners, stone walls, terraces, deep shade. But it does not try to look like an original old building. It reinterprets these elements with a cleaner and more contemporary form. The main villa has a clear and quiet presence: white lime-washed walls, controlled openings, exterior staircase, accessible terrace, chimney. Everything feels simple, but each element helps connect the house to the region's rural landscape. Inside, the villa avoids visual excess. Wood, linen, rotten, stone, light tones, few strong contrasts. The interiors do not try to compete with the pool, the sun, or the olive grove. They work as a pause. The social area of the main villa brings together the living room, dining area, and kitchen in a more open atmosphere. The bedrooms are organized with more privacy, reinforcing the logic of a vacation house, gathering at the center, resting along the edges. Materiality is one of the most important parts. The white lime reflects the strong Puglian light and gives the walls a more handcrafted appearance. It is not a cold or perfect white. It's a white connected to climate, maintenance, and local tradition. Tough stone appears in walls and specific surfaces. It brings porosity, texture, and a more ancient feeling. Pietra lecce, used on the floors, creates a clear, matte, and warm base, helping connect the interior, terrace, and outdoor areas. The smaller structure has another role. It works as a more independent unit with a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, and its language feels more connected to the idea of an adapted old structure. This creates an interesting contrast between the new and the existing. One interesting detail is that the design does not depend only on its traditional appearance. There is also a discrete technical layer with solar panels and water management systems, including a deep well and rainwater harvesting. The image is calm, but the infrastructure was designed for more efficient use. The strength of Villa Normanni Puglia lies in its measure. It does not try to create a spectacular gesture. The interest is in the composition between two houses, the pool as the center, the local materials, and the way tradition was transformed into a more contemporary experience. The more delicate point is that this architecture may feel too familiar for those expecting a very new image. White volumes, pool, and olive trees are highly recognizable elements in the Mediterranean imagination. What makes this design interesting is not formal surprise, it is the precision of the atmosphere. The shading also follows Mediterranean logic. In some areas, reed canopies filter the sun without completely blocking the light. It is a simple solution, but a very efficient one for a house designed for a hot climate and outdoor living. In the end, Villa Normanni Puglia is a house about the space between things, between two structures, between tradition and the contemporary, between sun and shade, between white wall, local stone, water, and olive trees. It shows that a Mediterranean house does not need to shout to feel current. Sometimes it is enough to carefully reorganize familiar elements, create shade, open a courtyard, place the pool at the center, and let life happen between the white walls and the garden.